Hi friends, let's see how to open the Eurotech IT World Catalog. It is available on YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp.
First, open the YouTube application. Search for Eurotech IT World in the search bar. Then open the channel. Once the page opens, open the publiuu.com. Link shown above. Now, if you are searching on Instagram after opening the page, click on the 3 more written at the top. Then select Cctv Catalog from the page that appears. If you are checking on WhatsApp, open the chat page of Eurotech IT World. Then click on the profile and scroll up. There you will see Pablo Cctv Catalog. Click it. The catalog is now open. The first 5 pages contain a brief description of the products available here. You can find out where and on which page the products you want are located. By clicking on the thumbnail above, you can quickly select the page.
Brand name, model, price, discount percentage of each product are given next to it.